What up guys, welcome to Hard Studios once more, and today we're looking at what to do before you start doing your color grading or VFX in Fusion. Let's get right into it. So what you want to do is you just want to come up to the settings and you come up to color management, and normally you will find it in Davinci YRGB. So normally what you will do is according to what you want to do. If you want to work in ACES, you will just be choosing this, but I've never worked in ACES before, but I'm not closing the door for that at the moment. So I will just come up to Davinci YRGB color managed, or you can just use this one and use either Rec 709 or Rec 709 with the gamma, Rec 709 with the gamma 2.4 or 2.2. So normally I will use Davinci Resolve color managed, and then come up here and take it to Davinci wide gamut and leave it at Rec 709 gamma 2.4. This is going to depend on the needs of your display. So I'm not pretty sure what this display is using, and I won't be going into detail with that one, and then I just save it. Then that's when you can start doing the color grading. So the other tip that I will give now normally before I do my color grading is let me just clean up this. So I will just group clips that are from one camera or clips that are from one scene. So like for now you can just come up to the light box, and then I will just control click this one and just group them. So you just have to put it into a new group inside, and then this one and that one maybe, and this one and that one are from the inside. So you just create a new group again, and this one is house maybe. But now we can see that this one here is a little bit darker, so we'll have to remove it from the group. So what you can do in that case, you can just while you're working with it, you just come up here and remove from group, just like that. Then let's just remove it from group, remove from group. Then you can see with the links, this one and that one are linked, but this one and that one are linked, but this one is linked to no one of this. So you can just maybe add it into its own group, according, if you have a couple of clips that are darker, then you can put them into group, but I won't put it in any group at the moment. So now you can start doing the color grading. So you have group pre-clip, you have clip, and then you have a group post clip, and then you have timeline. So what I will use this for the primaries. So if I have a chart that I used, like color match chart, then I can just do all those here, and then in this one here, then I will just do per clip. Say for instance like this one here, then I will just adjust the brightness into the clip, like to just give it, okay, let's just wipe it with this one, and then you can just increase your gain, increase your gain, increase your gain, increase your gain, just not too much. Let's push it, maybe leave it, park it around here, and then get your blacks a little bit lifted. Let's park it right there, and then maybe your midtones and lift it, try to balance it. But since this tutorial is not about balancing this, but you can see this is per clip, you can do this per clip, and then from here you go to post clip. Here you will do your secondaries. So this is where you give it the color that you're looking for, you pull out the skin tones, you give the scene exactly what color grading you want to give it. Then you have timeline. Timeline is where you will put your grains. You can just alt S and you add the node there. You can put your windows and just let it be visible. Let me just cancel this off and then come out to the window. Here is my window. Then just you can use your vignette in the timeline. So this is affecting all video clips that are in the timeline is going to be affected by this. So let's say you just darken and invert that so that it darken the outside part. Let's just darken it up until we see it's just for YouTube. Then I'm going to this clip. Let me just cancel the wipe, but you can already see it's already also affected here, it's also affected here, it's also affected here. So timeline affects every video clip on your timeline. So with that being said, you can put your grains here, film grain, you can put it here, and increase up the strength. Choose whatever you're looking for, like 400T or 500T, but let's just look for it there. And then opacity, you can just let it be visible. I think you can see it, guys, there. Let me just switch off the clips timeline. You can see I'm just cranking that and then cranking the texture. You can see there it's moving. You can also, let me just increase the grain size. You can see it now, it's worse. It comes a little bit smooth, worse. So you can do this and it affects every clip on the timeline. Let me just bring the clips and so that you can see it. So basically you can see every clip has that. So that's the trick behind before you're doing the color grading, as well as when you are going to go into Fusion. This is also what you're going to need as well. Alright, with that being said, this is all for it today. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Ink Studios.